Hi guys, this is Yuji from Osakana in Brooklyn. This is my Osakana Fish School YouTube channel, episode 8. Today topic is about how to make miso soup. Ingredients that are needed for making miso soup. The first one is kombu seaweed, which is a dried kelp. And then the second one is dry bonito flake, katsuobushi. And then third one is miso. And then the last one is toppings. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna start from cold water. And then we are going to add kombu. Strain here. Important thing about the kombu stock making is that the kombu's umami flavor, which is glutamic acid, are released better in the water at medium temperature. So you want to make sure that you want to heat up the cold water to medium temperature in 20 minutes or 30 minutes or so. Now you start seeing kombu started making bubbles all around it. That's kind of the sign that the kombu's umami flavors are being released. And the temperature is getting close to 150. That's the temperature you're looking for. So it's been about 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna take it out. Also, this leftover kombu, please don't throw away. This will make a really good topping for salad, and you can also pickle it. You can do a lot of things with the kombu. Now kombu is out of the water, so I'm gonna turn up the water and I'm gonna boil it. Now kombu stock is about to be boiled, and I'm gonna wait a little more, and then I'm gonna put bonito flake into this. But let's wait until it boils. Then let's drop it. And as soon as you drop it, you turn it off. It's been about 5 minutes after bonito flake is added and rested. So I'm going to strain this bonito flake. You want to make sure that you squeeze all the dashi out as much as possible, because this is the most concentrated part of the dashi. And then you can always reuse this bonito flake. Some people put in salad, and then at our restaurant we actually braise this with soy, sake, and mirin, and then we make a rice topping. It's called the okaka. Nice golden brown color. This is the ideal dashi color. I'm gonna bring this dashi back to the pot. And then you can put any ingredients into miso soup. The important thing is that you cut into the size that's very easy to be cooked. These radishes are perfectly cooked right now. So I'm going to add miso. this is your miso soup. So let's summarize this episode. The first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna make a dashi. Kombu first at medium temperature, and then the bonito flake next at high temperature. You strain it, you add whatever ingredients you wanna eat in the miso soup, and you're gonna cook it until they're completely cooked. And after that, you are going to add miso and then mix it. Easy, right? So that's how you make a miso soup. And if you don't have these, you can always buy at my online shop, ujiramen.com. And also, you can always use any beef stock, chicken stock, vegetable stock, whatever stock you have available in your kitchen, you can always substitute that with this. If you have any questions about Japanese cuisine, fish in general, please send it to me at osakanapk@gmail.com. I would like to create this channel with you, so any questions, welcome. Thank you.